Same session. Both both class. Diff. Uh-huh. Nagbushnam. Priyanka.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Akshaya. Pratik.
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma. Nagbushnam. Hello. Okay, I said to sir that PDF, so all the questions are there, even thermodynamics also. Mm. Thermodynamics also is there. So that test postponed, okay? So after completion of thermodynamics, I will start the, okay? Hello. Priyanka, can you hear me? No, I can't hear you. Vaibhavi? So Vaishnavi?
Yes, sir.
So did you understand? I'm not going to conduct test now on the Tuesday because whatever the PDF I sent, we sent in that PDF, even thermodynamics also it is combined, right? So we will complete 2 lessons. After so many problems we will solve, then we will go to exam. Okay. I hope everyone can hear me. So whatever I said, maybe you can understand what I said. Okay. So now today we will solve few problems in kinetic theory of gases. Priyanka, okay, Priyanka?
Yes, I'm fine with it.
Hmm. Okay, problems in kinetic theory of gases. Problems. Kinetic theory of gas.
Sir, we can't hear
So
you,
first
sir.
problem. Nagabhushan, can you hear me?
Sir, you're not audible.
Is it?
Sir, you are audible.
Maybe you once join Nagabhushan.
Sir, can you hear me?
Ah, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
How is he? Hello?
Sir, he's fine.
He's fine, huh?
Yes, sir.
The first question. It is NCRT based question. So see that in NCRT also mostly you can see this question. The density of water is 1000 kg per meter cube. Yes. The density of water vapor. Oh, okay. The density of water vapor at 100 degrees and 1 atmospheric pressure is 0.6 kg per meter cube. The volume of the volume of a molecule multiplied by the total number gives what is gives what is called what is called molecular volume. Done. Estimate the ratio of the molecular volume to the total volume occupied by the water vapor under the above condition of temperature and pressure and pressure. That is the question. The density of water they given. Write down what they have given. Question, solution, given. Density of water 1000 kg per meter cube, and the density of water vapor, density of water vapor 0.6 kg per meter cube. Done. The volume of molecule occupied by the total number gives what is called and molecular volume. Estimate the ratio of the molecular volume to the total volume. See that? Priyanka, did you write the question, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So remember the question. Density of water they have given, we written. Density of water vapor they have given, we written. And here they given. Now, the volume of molecule multiplied by the total number is gives what is the molecule. So molecular volume. So they are telling that suppose for a given mass of water molecule, for a given mass of water molecules, density is less if volume is more. So that's what they given. So now see volume and density. So the ratio of volume and density, volume of water vapor by volume of water equal to volume of water vapor by volume of water. Volume and density opposite, so that density of water by density of water vapor, because density for given mass of water molecule, density is less because density and volume both are inversely proportional. So density of water they given 1000, it is 0.6. So see that how much you are getting. It is 6 in 10 to the power of minus 1, so that you will get 6 into 10 to the power of minus 4. Can we? Minus 4 plus 4 comes this what? 6 into 10 to the power of minus 4 is the ratio. Actually, in the question, what they have given for the molecule of total volume occupied under the condition, the volume of the molecule multi with the total number of given what is called the volume. Estimate the ratio of the molecular volume to the total volume occupied by the water above conditions and temperature as constant. So that's the answer. 1 by 16 10 to the power of minus 4. One more question. That is the ratio. Next question. Mass, sorry, molar volume is the volume occupied by 1 mole of any ideal gas at standard pressure, temperature, and pressure and volume. Standard temperature and pressure. Okay. STP 0 degree centigrade 180 m. Show that it is 22.4 liters. Take R equal to 8.31 joule mole inverse Kelvin inverse. So molar volume is the volume occupied. Send gas. So you have to show that volume equal to this much.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, volume you have to show that much. So which formula will you take to show volume that? Any gas they have given. So ideal gas they have given. PV equal to mu RT. From this V equal to mu RT by P. That's what. This volume equal to, you have to show this. Substitute the R value, temperature value, and pressure value. Mu is 1. Sir is there? He is there? Pour little bit. Nabashnu, did you do, ma? My hand, did you see? Nabashnu calculated?
Yes, sir. I'm getting a 0.0. Sir, like I calculated using SI units, right? So I'm getting different units.
Yes, sir. Yeah?
Yes, sir. If it is SI, you should get 0.0 0224.
No, correct only. So it will get the 22.4 10 to the power of minus 3 meter cube.
Yes, sir. We'll get that only.
Then 10 to the power of minus 3 meter cube is nothing but 1 liter.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, correct, ma. Done. So V equal to 1 8.31 into 273 by 1 atmospheric pressure 1 into 0 0.13 10 to the power of 5 Pascal.
Sir, when they didn't know it R value, I think, sir, like our chemistry teacher taught this through density of hydrogen. Density of hydrogen is 1.02 liters per meter cube.
Density of
The density of hydrogen is 1.02 kgs per meter cube.
okay.
Yes, sir. Through that, our chemistry sir taught us.
Oh, through this we can calculate R
No, sir, no, sir. We can calculate volume. Of
volume. Okay.
so like volume is inversely proportional to density.
Density, yes, yes.
So
Volume
that
is
mass of hydrogen, we can mass of hydrogen nothing but one proton. So if we know mass of one proton, right?
yes, yes,
Yes, sir. So if we substitute, we'll get that volume.
correct. One more question. Priyanka, did you do ma?
Yes, sir.
One more question.
So,
Tell me ma.
sir, we got our physics marks.
How much Nagbashnu?
Sir, both of us got 35,
Out of?
40.
But 5 marks difference. Why?
Yeah. Sir, like there was some 2 mark question which I left. Sir,
Wha-
that 2 mark question was some mountain elasticity. I didn't have time to think.
Oh, mountain down. It won't be there. More stress will be there on the down particles. It will roll. Okay.
I didn't think of that anything, so I
No.
left the question, sir, because I had less time to attempt others.
Okay. Today they given,
Sir, actually, they gave 2 days ago, but I didn't tell you.
Okay, okay. Did you read the textbook? It will be there in the textbook, that answer.
Okay, sir.
So that's why textbook reading also sometimes that we, not sometimes, after completion of any lesson, once we have to go through the textbook reading, okay?
Okay, sir.
Kinetic energy of oxygen molecule at 0 degree is 9.4 into 10 to the power of minus 21 joules. Calculate Avogadro's number. Calculate Avogadro's number when R equal to 8.31 joule mole Kelvin power minus 1. What formula will you use?
So K is equal to 1 by 3 N.
It is which molecule? Oxygen molecule?
Yes, sir.
Is it 1 by 3?
No, sir.
Kinetic energy solution given kinetic energy equal to 9.4 into 10 to the power of minus 21 and temperature They have given 273 degree Kelvin we can take, R equal to 31. So these all things will be there in that formula. So kinetic energy of oxygen molecule. Kinetic energy for oxygen molecule. Oxygen diatomic, right?
Yes,
Diatomic molecule. So diatomic molecule means how much we got yesterday we did. So
yes,
maybe 5
7.5.
by 2 K R by N into T. Can we? R by N is not KB only, no? KB equal to KB equal to R into Na. So, huh? What is this?
Yes, sir, correct only. Sir, yes, sir, that's correct. So KB is equal to R into Na.
KB equal to
So KB is equal to R by Na.
R by N. Yes, yes. So R we used to write R equal to KB into Na we used to write, right? So from this KB equal to R by Na into T. Okay, substitute this now. Temperature. We have to calculate Avogadro's number. So we have to calculate this. It is on the Avogadro's number. Na equal to 2 into kinetic energy by 5 RT.
No, sir.
No. What is there? Just Na we can take, no? Na equal to 5 by 2 R by RT by KE. Done, no? What I did? Oh, 1 by
It will
N.
be 2 by 5.
No, 2 by. No, Priyanka. I did wrong. Just Na we have to send. That's all, right? And K we can send. Formula will be same.
Okay.
Yes. I did wrong. Did you get the answer? We'll go to one more question. Answer you should get 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. This is only Avogadro's number. If we get that, it's correct. So kinetic energy of oxygen molecule is 5 by 2. Remember, KB. One more question. Now, which question I'm going to explain? It will be there in the NCERT question. It's not in the NCERT. Come on. So tomorrow, day after tomorrow, like Tuesday, I will start the thermodynamics. Okay. In the thermodynamics, I will explain from sixth standard whatever you have studied about the temperature, different types of temperature scales, um, and what is heat, everything. Once again, heat related topics, everything that I will explain. So you can feel that it is the revision and final topic. So that final topic I will teach up to how much that we can complete, that much level we will complete. So don't absent from the next class. All fundamentals will come. No need to revise ever.
Sir, so after that we are going to start rotational motion, right?
After that we have to start rotational motion. Yeah. Pure rolling motion. Yeah. Rotational motion is there. Question. Calculate. Calculate. 1. RMS, small RMS, because capital is RMS velocity. Second one, mean kinetic energy per kinetic energy of 1 gram mole molecule of hydrogen at STP. Third, given, so no, it's not, given density hydrogen at STP is 0.09 kg per meter cube. This is what the things they have given. So you can understand what is the mean velocity. What is the RMS velocity formula? Solution. Anybody can say what is the RMS velocity formula? Nagabhushnam, Priyanka, RMS velocity formula?
So 2 by 3 RT is equal to
That's what every time you have to concentrate on pressure. That is very, very important question I given. 1 by 3 rho c square, right? Did you remember?
yes, rho c square. Yes, sir.
It is a very, very important formula. Most of the sums will be there on this formula. So here, from here, C equal to 3 into P by rho equal to, what is the P there? Density they given. P is just pressure. Substitute and get the answer. Do this and write. Next, it is on mean velocity. Mean velocity, when they're asking, you use like this. That's why this formula is very important. I given that time. Even that question is very important for exams. And the next one is kinetic energy. So kinetic energy formula. Average kinetic energy is the first one. Second one, Ke average equal to Ke average we have to calculate. So kinetic energy per molecule equal to 1 by 2 mc square.
So,
Tell me, ma.
sir, the other answer approximately 18 into 10 power 2.
18
Into 10 power 2.
into 10 to the power of. Okay.
Actual answer.
Actual answer they have option 1837.5.
So this is 1800, right? So not much deviation.
Yeah, not much, but 37%. 37. So you should get this value is
So like square root
18.
330 was there. That's why I didn't do
Okay.
it.
Meter per second. And kinetic energy per molecule is this. Here C value we know. What about the M value? What is M there? How will we get M? How will we get M here in this type of questions? Nagbhushan?
Yes, sir.
Kinetic energy per molecule equal to formula is kinetic energy means half mc square. C
Yes,
value
sir.
we got, but M how will we
Yes.
get here? So in kinetic theory of gases, when you want to calculate M, M equal to volume into density, right?
Yes, sir.
Density already we have.
Yes,
Volume.
density we have.
Volume how
Volume
much?
is 22.4.
Yeah, 22.4 into 10 to the power of 3.
So here Ke value is 18 into 10 power 2, right?
KV, 10 to the power, sorry, minus 3 into 0.09. You have to calculate this, how much you are getting that, and density substitute. Density value how much? This is only density. You should get this kinetic energy 3403.4 joules you have to get. If we get, that is correct. So here one more what we have to remember, RMS value means definitely we have to take RMS velocity formula from here basing on the given topic. And after kinetic energy per molecule is there, for each and every molecule having kinetic energy, this is. And mass means volume into density. Volume means if they don't give, use this. NCRT question now. Tell me, ma.
I'm getting 3300.
Approx 3300.
Yes, sir. Like when I was calculating the root mean square velocity, that
Mm.
I'm getting square root.
Okay, I understood. Here you took double
5.
zeros, right?
Yes, sir.
No problem. No need exact values. Approximate values will
Yes,
come
these
for
all are
the.
assumed, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
all of these are assumed. They're not exactly.
No, not exactly. But when you are writing competitive, then each and every point that we have to keep in our mind.
Yes, sir.
Even point also makes difference there because we will get confused in the answer.
Sir,
Tell
sir,
me.
in the exam they won't give like this value, sir. They'll give in kilojoules.
Mm,
Yes, sir. Because if we take actual value, that time a lot of deviation will be.
yes. Mostly examination will be easy only. So NCRT questions we will see now. It won't be that much difficult than this. Because to calculate this, exams and all they won't give this. Mostly we can. NCERT question. A flask contains argon and chlorine in the ratio 2:1 by mass. The temperature of the mixture is 27 degrees. Obtain the ratio of first one, kinetic energy Ke average per molecule. Second one, RMS value of velocity.
Sir, is that mole or molecule?
Molecule per each and every molecule. Velocity of two gases. Atomic mass 39.9 U. Now, question, what is atomic mass?
The sum of protons and electrons in the atom.
Okay. In AMU, right? Atomic mass units.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Why what is AMU?
Sir, it is 1/12 the mass of a carbon atom.
So why we have to use that AMU?
Sir, to simplify calculations.
Actually, that atoms and molecules, this and all, very, very less weight, right? Very less weight,
Yes,
right?
sir. Yes,
We
sir.
can't use
That's right.
kgs and all. So instead of that, we have to use the AMU. Very, very small masses to calculate, we will use AMU, atomic mass units. Not regular mass units. Regular mass units is kg. Atomic mass unit is very small. Okay, first question. Average kinetic energy per molecule.
Sir, molecule. Sir, how do we do it?
One molecule, how many number of degrees of freedom is there?
Sir, one is monoatomic, other is diatomic. That's why.
Is it?
Yes, sir. Chlorine is Cl2 and argon is just Ar.
But kinetic energy is a scalar, right? Energy.
Yes.
It does not depending on what is the nature of the gas. Now tell me.
So it will be in the ratio 2:1 only.
2:1, huh?
So it's 3 plus 3 plus 5 by 3.
Actually, kinetic energy they are telling, no? Argon and chlorine both have same temperatures in the flask, it seems, right?
Yes, sir.
So that average kinetic energy per molecule also two gases will be same only, no?
Yes, sir.
1:1 it seems.
Okay, yes, sir.
Because both are containing in the flask with the same temperatures. Same temperature means same kinetic energy, right? Because kinetic energy and temperature is related. We can give kinetic energy temperature definition by using the kinetic energy. Priyanka, is clear, ma?
Yes, I understood that.
Yes. Second question. Second question is what? Root mean square speed of molecule of two gases.
Sir, we need to find the average kinetic energy, right?
Average kinetic energy, yes. Average kinetic energy, half, first, it is ratio is 1:1. Second one is half m v1 square, half m2 v2 square,
Sir, m1 by m2 is
equal to, come on, equal to, it is equal to 3/2 kBt.
yes, sir.
Because average kinetic energy per molecule of ideal gas is this much only, no? So now calculate v1 and
It's
v2.
2/3.
2/3, ma?
Sir, 3 by 2 itself.
2/3 or 3/2?
Equipartition. Sir, law of equipartition, 3 by 2.
Oh, 3/2. Law of, yes, law of equipartition theorem.
Okay.
Actually, for one molecule, one particle, 1/2 kBt. For 1 degree of freedom. For 3 degrees of freedom, 3/2 kBt. Yes. It is the 3 is the degrees of freedom.
Sir, I'm getting v2 is equal to root 2 v1.
Root 2 v1, yeah.
Yes,
That's
sir.
all, no? M1 is 2, root 2 v1. Yes, ma. Once the temperature of the mixture is obtained, the RMS value of the two values. Okay. Okay, can I? One more question. Like this NCRT questions will be there. So is it any exams are there now or only in March?
They are at March itself.
Same type of question, just it is also NCRT question. Homework or now if you want to calculate also you can. Uranium has two isotopes of masses 235 and 238 and 238 units. If both are present in if both are present in uranium hexa uranium hexa fluoride. Gas which would have the larger average speed. If atomic mass of fluorine is 19 units, estimate the percentage difference in speeds at any temperature. That's what the question. At a fixed temperature, so uranium present in the uranium hexagon larger average speed, which would have larger average speed. So when they're asking about the speed,
Sir,
kinetic energy formula, because
Yes.
masses they given, no?
yes, sir. So kinetic energy is, sorry, velocity is inversely mass. Right?
Kinetic, yes, we can use direct kinetic energy per molecule 1 by 2 mv square, right? So it will be inversely proportional. So v1 by v2 equal to our m2 by m1. We can do that, but actually mass
So
here
like
mass
hexafluoride, right? So it is UF6.
UF6
Yes, sir. So 6 times 19 plus 235, and other one will be 6 times 19 plus 238.
235 plus 6 plus 19 into
No, sir,
19
times. Yes, sir. Hexa.
to 19. That is the m1. m2 2 3 8 plus 6 into 19 plus 6 into 19. See once how much you are getting. It will become the m2. Just substitute that value, so you will get the answer. Question is the difference and the percentage also they asked. Okay, percentage in speed difference also they ask. $349, $352 you will get this. Root over 352 by 349. Just do this. You should get a 1.0044. So directly don't don't substitute the masses. Masses you have to change here. So this step in this form, this problem. And percentage?
4. Sir, 0.4.
0.4, 0.4. 0.4. 0.4.
No, sir. No, no, sir. It is actually there's a percentage difference, right?
Percentage difference, no?
So it should be V2 minus V1. Sorry, V1 minus V2 upon V1 into 100.
Okay. Um,
We know now V1 is equal to 1.004 times V2.
mm,
Yes, sir. So now V1 minus V2 by V1.
V1 minus V2 by
V2.
V1 into 100, no?
Yes, sir.
So V1 is nothing but V1 equal to this into substitute, then V2. Okay.
So we can write V1 as
Yeah.
1.004.
1.0044 minus V2 means 1 by 1 into 100.
Yes, sir.
So
So we get 0.004 into
0.
0.4%.
0.4 percent, 0.44% or 0.4% is the NCRT. One more question.
So here, why have we added 6 into 19 for the mass?
It is uranium uranium hexafluoride gas, hexa, right? Hexa means 16, right? Like 6, hexa means 6, right?
Yes, sir.
Into 19 is the mass number, I think
Yes, sir. Mass number.
it's the mass number of hexafluoride, ma.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
So only this step is extra. Directly, definitely when we are seeing masses, immediately we will substitute that, but we should not. Only one step that we have to take. One more NCRT question. There are 4 more. Nabushnu, just I will post some of the questions in Google Meet, okay?
Classroom, sir.
Google Classroom that I will upload. Just check that you are able to solve or not, because one more
Okay,
questions or
sir.
anything if they give, we can do from this.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Mm. Subjectivities mostly. We can learn more subject from this. Yes. Question. One more question.
Sir, did you check the PDF which all questions to do?
Yeah. I saw. That's what I said. We post. That's why I postponed the exam. Even I will complete the thermodynamics also. After thermodynamics, kinetic theory of gases, and even so that basing on that, we will solve so many problems. Then we'll go to PDF. Like in the PDF only, we will solve so many problems. Then we can go to the test. Okay. Nearly we have to write 3 tests on that, because thermodynamics and the kinetic theory of gases is mixed, right? So we have
Yes,
to
sir.
write 3 more tests on that. Next year we should not come back to this lesson again, because it's a very big lesson actually. Thermodynamics, heat, I don't say only thermodynamics. In that thermodynamics, kinetic theory of gas is also one of the part actually. Question. NCRTD also. A cylinder of fixed capacity 44.8 liters contains helium gas at standard temperature and pressure. What is the amount of heat needed to raise the temperature of gas in the cylinder by 15.0 degrees centigrade R equal to 831 joule mole inverse Kelvin inverse. So concentrate on the problem. They have given R, so definitely whatever the formula we are using in that R will be there. 1 mole of ideal gas at NTP as the cylinder has fixed 44 point. So 44.8 means how many moles of gas they have fixed?
2 more.
2 moles, right? Because we know that 22, like solution 22.4 liters, nothing but 1 mole. Here 44.8 liters means 2 moles. Contains helium at temperature. What is the amount of heat is needed? Cylinder to rise. Fixed capacity. So what is constant here? A standard pressure and specific heat capacity at constant volume equal to how much specific heat capacity constant volume for the
Delta Q by delta T.
that is for solids and liquids.
So du by dt.
That is solids and liquids, no?
Yes, sir. Sir, but we can simplify u, right?
I can simplify U.
Yes, sir. So now dt is nothing but 15. Sir, nothing but k only, no, sir.
What is that? A cylinder is fixed. So cylinder is fixed means volume is constant. So contains helium gas at standard temperature. Helium gas. So at 15 degrees centigrade. Constant.
The hint is R, so we need to find something related. Yes, sir. So divided by 15.
Divided by 15, huh?
Yes, sir.
Temperature, no, that is. So how can we read that divided?
Okay, yes, sir. So leave it dt, sir. So this is du by dt, right? So this is u.
It is U.
Yes, sir. So CV
So
is equal to 3
du by
by 2 R.
dt will get cancelled. So 3
Yes,
by
sir.
2 R. R is 3 is here. 1 molecule degrees of freedom. So
Yes, sir.
3 by 2 R. Now what
Sir,
they're
3 by
asking?
2 are now 15 degrees Celsius, no, sir. So we need to multiply this quantity by 15.
Okay. Then what will you get? Heat, huh?
Yes, sir. Amount of energy. Right.
What is the amount of heat energy? Heat energy equal to?
Sir, actually not by 15. We should multiply by 30, sir, because 2 moles.
Yes. So heat equal to heat energy. They're asking us to
Sir,
calculate amount of heat rise to temperature of gas. So it is nothing but Q equal to CV into 2, right?
2 into 15, sir.
2 into temperature is 15.
Sir, we'll instead of
3.
15, okay, yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Into R means 8.31.
Into
2 as no need,
into
okay?
15.
Into 15.
Yes, sir. Sir, so 45 times 8.31.
45 into 8.31. That will be the answer.
Doing this, sir, we can write 90 calorie, right?
Hmm.
So then we can multiply that quantity with 4.2.
45 into 8.31. Yeah. Final answer. That's whatever you are getting. That is only final answer for the that much of heat is required. It is SI unit is joule, no? Calorie is nothing but again CGS units it will become.
Yes, sir.
Leave
Yes, sir.
here. Answer the given.
Sir, it will come
373.95. 373.95 joules they given. Check once. You are getting the same thing on.
I'm getting 374. I didn't. I round.
37. Okay, 374. Correct only. One more question. So questions will be like this in kinetic theory of gases. In thermodynamics, questions will be like, wait, how it will be, you can see. But mostly formula based questions only. If we know the formula, we can substitute. All are formula based questions only, but little bit like gases, so many types of gases names they will give. This question. Just to tell me the which formula that we have to use, then estimate NCRT only. The mean free path. Okay. Mean free path for water molecule. For a water molecule in water vapor at 373 Kelvin given diameter of water molecule water molecule 2 angstroms and the number density of water molecule at normal temperature and pressure 2.7 into 10 to the power of 25 meter power minus 3. Compare it with intraatomic distance for water. 40. That's what the question. What formula that we can use?
Sir, 1 by pi d square c n.
Lambda equal to 1 by root 2 n d square pi, right? So here root 2 is okay, diameter they given, and pi value we know, and n value, n number density they given, number density equal to 2.7 into 10 to the power of 25. Number density is inversely proportional to absolute temperature, it seems. Number density is inversely proportional to absolute temperature. So that 2.7 into 10 to the power of 25 273 by 373. That's the number density. You get 2 into 10 to the power of 25.
Sir, so actually this number is at ENTP. So we need to convert it into 373 degree. Like,
Yes. Mm. Substitute that. Compare it with the intraatomic distance also. Intraatomic distance to compare. Substitute these values here. N place, this value, D place, they given 5 place. So whatever you are getting, that intra, here one more question is, compare it with the intra-atomic distance. Intra-atomic distance, what they given? Intra-atomic distance is lambda. Okay. So what are the lambda you will get? Lambda value. So lambda value by x value. That's only comparison. Interatomic. Compare with interatomic distance. Interatomic distance x equal to x equal to 40 into 10 to the power of angstroms means 10 to the power of 10 meters. So this lambda by x you have to do. Then we can say what the value you are getting. So these are the sums they have given mostly in NCERT. Okay, Nagbishnu, find out that you should get 70. Priyanka, okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, these are the questions they have given because these are NCERT questions are mostly if we try to solve. So which formula when we have to use, so what is n, how to convert, so small things that we can get to know happily. So in the next class when we are like I will teach thermodynamics. After completion of that, both combination we can solve so many questions so that we will get more idea about this. No need to revise in the next year also. But notes should be very neat, okay, maintain nicely, because
Okay, sir.
that is only like a guide it will, you can use. Every concept will be there in that.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so
Thank,
see you in the next class, ma.
thank you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma. Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, ma.